In the last of the presidential debates, both candidates touted their ability to reach across the aisle. This is Eve Darling, National Optimist Party candidate for president. We see left and right for what they are, archaic holdovers from the French Revolution, and like much else, concepts we can comfortably leave behind. In the same way, we intend to forego bi-partisanship in favor of non-partisanship. This past Congress could not agree on what to do about the bald eagle. Such paroxsisms of putative paralysis will not be indulged in any Congress with which our administration has struck. Now, democracy is supposed to be a noisy business, but in our time, sound and fury must signify substantive change. The tempest we now hear brewing is not confined to a teapot, but comes from the very heart of Mother Nature herself. And she cares not whether you are a self-defined leftist liberal or a rightist conservative.